Today we are gonna put new buckets and grill in the 96. I had headlights for it, but the switchbacks they sent me, I need to clean up too. Switchbacks they sent me are missing something very important. If you notice, they have no contacts for some reason. This one has two, but it's missing the third one, so that's cool. Not gonna work. So what I'm thinking is we will just leave the factory housings and just replace the chrome grill and the buckets for now. And I already have LEDs in the low beams. So here we go. As you can see, this is why we're replacing the grill. We're going to keep that emblem. We're going to replace these buckets. We're probably just going to leave all of this in here. We're probably going to keep those for now. I might end up getting new ones of these. I've got new ones of these. I don't know if we're going to end up using the clears or not. We will see. Alright, so to start, you got to take off the grill. You got 4 Phillips right there, and you've got 1 Phillips inside of here. Don't have my impact stuff with me. I left it all at work. So, doing it by hand. Probably the best way to do it on this anyways, with it being older, so the plastic doesn't break and fall apart. Okay. Pull that back. It has 2 little alignment pegs that go in the bottom. Got your grill out. Set that to the side, because we are going to need the emblem out of it. But we will worry about that last. Now what we're going to want to do is pull the 2 Phillips out of the top right here, and then if you look down in here, there's this hole right there, and then there's that hole right down there. Those are going to be 2 11 millimeters if they're factory. If they're aftermarket, they're going to be 10s. 10, 11. It is a little tight, but you can do it without removing anything. I've done it quite a few times. So that is on there. Now let's see best way to go about this. Let's tighten it. You're going to have a marker light, and then up inside of here, you're going to have your turn signal bulb. Alright, now everything is held in the buckets by, well, that was the 10 we took off that bolts over there. 10, 10, maybe 11 actually, with this being, I don't remember. Yep, 11. So they're 11s. And then I think you have some Phillips. So 3 Phillips, 2 11s. And then we can, let me go ahead and find the new bucket. That's the passenger side, so this has got to be the driver's side. I picked these up on Amazon. They seem to be pretty decent. Hopefully they hold up. Guess we will see. I don't want to scratch this up, so I will be right back. So, I'm going to start with the 2 11s. Looks good. Nice new chrome bezel. Yeah, that's nice. Cool. Now we're going to put our 11s back on, our 2 screws up top in, and we're done with this side. We'll move on to the next. Got the passenger side out. Passenger side is a little more difficult. I'll show you right down there in that hole. The horn's kind of in the way. The battery tray is a little bit closer on this side. I found the best way to do it was take your left hand, stick it down in here, get it out, and then left hand here. I tried right hand at first. Not fun. Don't try that. Anyways. Well, got her in. It looks real good. That chrome looks nice. Brand new truck again.